Yeah. Thank you so much for the opportunity. My name is Ankur Jain. I am the CEO and co-founder of Jivi AI. And our goal at Jivi AI is to basically transform primary healthcare for 8 billion people. It's tried by three big passionate fans of healthcare. Mine, of course, me. I come from a doctor's family. I'm the odd one out who did not pursue medicine. My co-founder is Sanjay Reddy. He has built pharma companies, and third is enjoying AI fund. He's a pioneer in AI. Right, so all three of us wanted to solve this healthcare problem for global audience for almost 2 decades. So a couple of years ago, we came together, and we wanted to see how we can use the latest AI advancement, right, to build an AI doctor. So it was just an idea, and we started working together, and now we have launched this product for the global audience. We have almost 500,000 users across I think 170 countries. So essentially what we are doing is, right, imagine there is a doctor, a personal doctor in your pocket, which is acting as a companion, which is not replacing the real clinician, but which is acting as a companion 24/7. We believe that your health will become better, right? If your health is better, you will live a better life. Right? That is sort of the mission that we have. So there are three main use cases, right? Like if we look at the, not use cases, the problems that we see, right, globally. One is the doctors are overburdened, right? There is a long queue, like in front of the doctor's clinic. They're overburdened, they are burning out. Second is the quality, right? Since they're not able to spend time, like many times there's misdiagnosis happening, and the cost to access good quality healthcare is going through the roof. So how do we solve this? And this is where we are working on different use cases. To solve this problem for scalable audience, right? What we have done is we have built an AI clinical workforce, right? Which is analyzing your data, right? Depending upon the use case. And then it's working with different agents and coming up with a solution. Right? Every person has a different use case. For example, if somebody is analyzing symptoms to come up with a diagnosis, our symptom agent is helping. If the use case is to analyze a blood test report, right, our diagnostic lab report agent comes into the picture. All these agents work together in the background and helping the person who is taking the decision to improve their decision in few seconds. So that is the goal. So if you look at this, we have agents for providers, right, for the doctors. We have clinical AI agent that can be used across hospitals, in your consumer apps, in your diagnostic apps. And third is around longevity, around health, right? There's a lot of focus on eating right? Losing weight with better nutrition, sleeping better. So how do we work with all these agents and help the provider take the right decision, help the consumer take the right decision? That is what we are doing it. So there are multiple use cases. One is around consumer, and I will show you a demo of that. The second is we are working with few hospital systems in India, right, to provide our AI clinical workforce for their use cases. And third is, this is very important because in public health, right, the biggest challenge is that the top quality doctors, they are available in the top tier 1 towns, tier 2 towns, right? They are not available in tier 4 towns or rural areas, right? So how do we help public health ecosystem with the help of our AI? So these are the three areas where we are working on. Consumer side, the enterprise side, and in public health side, we are working with few state governments. So let me show you a video of how the full journey will start. So I will start with if you can play the video. Start with the consumer who is going to interact with our AI doctor. Then we will get the real clinician who will write the prescription. Video.
Need medical help? Quick, simple, and hassle-free healthcare. Get treated in just minutes. Let's see how Jivi works. Simply tap on Talk to Dr. Jivi to begin your consultation.
Hi, What symptoms or concerns would you like to discuss?
I have constant fever along with shivering and profuse sweating.
How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
I have been experiencing these symptoms for 4 to 7 days.
Have you noticed any chills or shaking along with the fever?
Yes, I have.
Have you traveled recently or been exposed to anyone with similar symptoms?
हाँ, मैं कल ही बाहर से आई हूँ.
Prefer another language? No problem. Dr. Jivi understands 100 plus languages seamlessly. The more details you share, the better Jivi can assist you with personalized treatment. Jivi's AI analyzes your symptoms using comprehensive medical knowledge to provide an accurate diagnosis. Need further guidance? Instantly connect with a human doctor for expert advice. Your doctor is here. Get expert medical consultation anytime, anywhere.
Hello, Aishi. Looks like you're suffering from high fever. How are you feeling now?
Yes, I have a high fever since morning and I don't feel well.
Okay. Did you notice any rash on your body?
Yes, my skin also blistered a lot and I don't know how.
Okay. Did you notice any bleeding, like bleeding gums while you're brushing your teeth?
Yes, in the morning I noticed bleeding when I was brushing.
Okay. Aishi, basis on your symptoms, most likely it looks like dengue, while malaria should also be ruled out. I have prescribed some medications that will reach to your place soon. We will share you with the prescription with you right now. Start using the medications and you'll feel better. Once your investigation reports are ready, you consult me again in 2 to 3 days. Okay?
Okay, thank you, doctor.
AI powered healthcare, built just for you. Download now and take control of your health.
Right. So just I wanted to give a voiceover on this. What just happened is the consumer, right, who was facing certain issues, started interacting using voice in her own language, shared the symptoms. It was not like a classical chatbot. It was just a voice-first system. And then we handed over all the information to a real doctor. Everything was pre-filled for the doctor, but still the doctor was in control. So it was acting as a co-pilot. It was detecting what symptoms, what questions you can ask, the proper AI assist. And then the prescription was pre-filled, pre-generated, and the doctor has to just check. So imagine the amount of time a doctor, right, who can save in doing all this automatically. Instead of spending 5 to 10 minutes, the doctor can just ask questions and generate the prescription in a minute. So that's Jivi. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ankur. Thank you. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone.